iPhone Ultra Fold. To understand why this device changes everything, you have to realize that Apple didn't just copy the standard foldable design. The chassis is forged from an ultra-premium blend of aerospace-grade titanium and high-dissipation aluminum. Titanium lines the critical, stress-bearing paths of the phone to ensure unparalleled structural rigidity, preventing the flexing and bending that has plagued early foldable devices. Meanwhile, specialized aluminum elements are integrated into the internal framing to rapidly dissipate heat away from the core processors, maintaining maximum performance while keeping the overall weight shockingly low. When fully unfolded, the iPhone Ultra Fold collapses down to an impossible 4.5 millimeters of thickness. It is significantly thinner than almost any flagship smartphone on Earth today, feeling less like a piece of hardware and more like a continuous sheet of digital paper. Even when folded completely shut, it measures less than 10 millimeters thick. It slides effortlessly into a pocket without leaving a massive bulge, solving the exact ergonomic nightmare that has kept the average consumer from ever buying a folding phone. This brings us to the first monumental upgrade, the display technology. For years, the fatal flaw of every single foldable phone has been the crease, that ugly indented valley right down the middle of the screen. Internal factory reports reveal that Apple has poured hundreds of millions of dollars into developing a proprietary, flexible ultra-thin glass module that works in tandem with an entirely new structural glass midframe. By utilizing a cutting-edge color filter on encapsulation layer and a circular polarizer module, they have managed to achieve a crease depth of under 0.15 millimeters, with a crease angle of less than 2.5 degrees. This means the crease is functionally invisible. When you unfold the device, the screen locks into place as flat, rigid, and pristine as a solid pane of glass. Under direct sunlight, there is no distorted reflection. When you glide your thumb across the display, you feel absolutely nothing but smooth, premium glass. When you hold the iPhone Ultra Fold closed, you are greeted by an external cover screen that completely discards the awkward, overly narrow aspect ratios found on traditional foldables. Instead of a cramped display, Apple has engineered a brilliant 5.5-inch cover display with a comfortable, wide aspect ratio. It looks and feels exactly like using a standard, elite smartphone. You can reply to texts, check notifications, and browse social media single-handedly with absolute ease. But when you open the book, the device expands into a jaw-dropping 7.8-inch ultra-wide liquid retina display. It boasts a beautiful ratio that mimics a compact tablet, giving you more screen real estate than an iPad mini, but in a form factor that lives in your pocket. The canvas is completely unbroken, surrounded by razor-thin, uniform bezels. This massive visual real estate unlocks the second major upgrade, a completely overhauled, hyper-advanced version of iOS built specifically to maximize the power of this form factor. This isn't just a stretched-out version of mobile apps. Apple has engineered a revolutionary multitasking engine that allows you to effortlessly run 3 or 4 desktop-class applications simultaneously without a single stutter. Imagine having a full, live-updating financial spreadsheet open on the left side of your screen, a high-definition video conference running smoothly on the top right, and your Notes app open on the bottom right, allowing you to jot down ideas with lightning speed. You can seamlessly drag and drop high-resolution photos, text files, and video clips across apps with simple gesture controls. If you prop the phone up half open on a desk, it instantly switches to a specialized workstation mode, shifting the video playback to the top half of the screen while transforming the bottom half into an intuitive, haptic feedback touch keyboard and trackpad. Powering this insane multitasking workspace is the third massive upgrade, the groundbreaking A20 Ultra processor. The A20 Ultra is the world's very first mobile processor built on TSMC's highly anticipated 2-nanometer manufacturing process. By shrinking the transistors to an almost microscopic atomic scale, Apple has managed to pack billions of additional transistors onto a single silicon chip. The real engineering genius lies in their brand new wafer-level multi-chip module packaging technology. Instead of separating the memory modules from the processing cores, this advanced architecture integrates the ultra-fast 12GB RAM array directly onto the CPU and GPU die. The A20 Ultra delivers a staggering 15% increase in raw processing speeds, while cutting energy consumption by a massive 30% compared to previous generations. This chip effortlessly renders console-quality graphics with ray tracing enabled at a locked, buttery smooth 120 frames per second, all while remaining completely cool to the touch. The specialized neural engine inside this chip has been supercharged to an unprecedented degree, capable of processing complex AI tasks locally on the hardware without ever needing to send your data to an external cloud server. This colossal processing power directly fuels the fourth major upgrade, the evolution of next-generation Apple Intelligence. The iPhone Ultra Fold features an AI system that is fundamentally aware of what is happening across your massive 7.8-inch display. It doesn't just wait for you to type commands. It actively anticipates your next move based on your context. If you're drafting a highly professional corporate email on one half of the screen while looking at a raw data sheet on the other, Apple Intelligence will automatically read the data, analyze the trends, and generate beautifully written paragraphs, tables, and summaries directly into your email draft with flawless accuracy. The completely redesigned Siri system operates with human-like contextual awareness, understanding complex, multi-step voice commands instantly. You can simply tell it to find a flight itinerary from your Notes app, cross-reference it with your personal calendar, find an open slot for a dinner meeting with your team, and draft an invitation email to everyone involved, and the AI will execute the entire multi-app sequence in a matter of seconds. Image and video editing are completely transformed as well. With advanced generative tools, you can simply circle an object on your massive display and voice command the AI to realistically expand the background, alter the lighting geometry of a photo, or seamlessly remove complex background distractions with absolute pixel-perfect precision. To build a phone this incredibly thin, Apple had to make some of the most daring design choices in the history of the company, leading directly to our fifth major upgrade, a complete revolution in hardware security and internal space management. For nearly a decade, Face ID has been the golden standard of iPhone security. But the bulky true-depth camera array requires massive internal space and a deep screen cutout, things that are physically impossible to implement on a hyper-thin, folding display without ruining the seamless visual aesthetic. Apple's solution was to completely remove Face ID from the iPhone Ultra Fold. Instead, they have engineered an ultra-fast, next-generation Touch ID sensor directly into the sapphire crystal power button on the side of the device. The moment your finger naturally rests on the power button to open the phone, it instantly scans your fingerprint with microscopic precision and unlocks the device securely in a fraction of a millisecond. By removing the bulky Face ID components, Apple managed to free up an immense amount of internal space, allowing them to keep the device unbelievably thin while packing the interior with cutting-edge thermal cooling vapor chambers and massive, custom-shaped battery cells that line both halves of the folding frame. This drastic internal optimization leads us to the sixth and final monumental upgrade, the implementation of Apple's first-ever proprietary custom modem alongside a radically reimagined battery architecture. The iPhone Ultra Fold features an in-house designed custom modem. This new chip is tightly integrated directly into the A20 system architecture, providing dramatically faster download and upload speeds over 5G networks while operating with a level of power efficiency that was previously thought to be impossible. Furthermore, this custom modem introduces a groundbreaking, hardware-level privacy feature known as limited precise location. Unlike traditional modems that constantly broadcast your exact, pinpoint GPS coordinates to cellular towers, Apple's Tom Silicon lets you restrict your location data at the network level. Cellular carriers will only see the general neighborhood you are in, completely blocking them from tracking your exact street address or movements, giving you an unprecedented layer of data privacy without affecting your signal strength or emergency call accuracy. To keep this entire powerhouse running all day long, Apple engineered a massive, high-density dual-cell battery array that boasts a combined capacity exceeding 5,000 mAh. By splitting the battery across both halves of the ultra-thin titanium chassis and utilizing the extreme energy efficiency of the 2nm A20 Ultra chip, the iPhone Ultra Fold delivers a staggering battery life that easily pushes past a full day of heavy, multi-screen workspace use on a single charge. This is the ultimate evolution of mobile technology. It is a device that completely bridges the gap between the phone in your pocket and the computer on your desk, wrapped in a breathtaking titanium and glass enclosure. The future isn't just coming. It unfolds right before our eyes.